Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete drawings on chart on your TradingView, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete drawings on the chart on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView on your phone. After opening your TradingView app, guys, you can see the chart button at the bottom left corner of the screen just beside the watch list over here. Tap on the chart button. And over here, guys, you can see there are a lot of drawings done by me, and now in order to delete any particular drawing, you just need to tap on it and this kind of menu will appear. You can see over here this one, and when this menu appears, when you tap on a particular drawing, you can see each time you tap on drawing it will appear. Just tap on the dumpster icon over here and delete it, and it will be deleted like that. So let's do it again for another drawing. So let's tap on another drawing and let's delete it, and it has been deleted. And with that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to delete your drawings on TradingView. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.